Good morning. What's your truck number?
2294.
Thank you. Are you here to pick up or drop off?
Drop off. I have a load of limestone.
Got it. Hold still for me, please.
All right. I have your weight. You'll head to Bay 3 for unloading.
Bay 3, got it. Do I come back across the scale afterwards, or?
Yes. Once you're empty, come back to the scale.
And hit the intercom again. We'll get the outbound weight on the ticket.
Sounds good.
All right. Head to Bay 3. It's straight ahead on your left. Watch for the sign.
Drive safe.
Will do. Thank you.
You're welcome.